going to start off today by covering how to create an account on Learning Express. So first, go to the SCCLD website. It'll look something like this. Click on Teens in the top bar, then on the left bar that shows up, scroll and find Homework Help and click that. Then click the Homework Help box that shows up, and in your list of results, in the first row, all the way to the right, should show Learning Express. Click that button, and it'll take you to the Learning Express link. Click that to go to the Learning Express website. Then, in the top right-hand corner, you'll find the Login and Register button. Hit that button, and on the right, click the Register button to create a new account. You can do this with an email or without an email. After you've created your account, use your username and password that you just created to log in using the Login button. To access SAT prep resources, click Home and navigate to College Admissions Test Preparation. Click that and select the SAT option. This will give you access to a tutorial on taking the SAT, complete with ways to review your answers and improve your scores. You also have access to full-length practice tests. Learning Express provides test prep for many different exams, including the ACT, and practices for many different AP tests. You can also access college admissions essay tips and handbooks for free download. You also have access to extra practice for many school subjects with your Learning Express account. To find these resources, go to Home and click School Center and select the High School option. This will take you to the resources for topics ranging from algebra to chemistry to literature. To access any of these practices, click the link in the description. With these practice quizzes, you'll be able to get extra practice and analyze your mistakes. As always, you can go back to your homepage to check out other resources your Learning Express account gives you access to. Thank you for watching, and we hope you found this video helpful.